Here is how you can speed up your old iMac. Here you can see I'm using the iMac 2017 with the macOS Sierra. Now if you want to speed up your old Mac, then you want to watch the entire video to learn an easy process. Now here is what I want to do first. Here you can see, although I told you that I'm using the old 2017 Mac, which is really low. You can see the reading speed, which indicates my Mac is very low right now. Now if I want to speed it up, then I have to follow some of the things. First, I need to use a good SSD. Now first, you need to connect your SSD to your Mac. Once you connect your SSD to your Mac, now follow this. First, click on Spotlight. Now search for Disk Vitality. Now click on the External SSD. Click Erase. From here, choose the good person map. Now choose the format with macOS Expanded Journal. Also, rename the drive if you don't want to confuse with your other drive. Now click Erase. After that, now you need to download the macOS Ventura. Well, now to download the macOS Ventura, we'll click on the App Store. Now look for Ventura. Go ahead and download this. After downloading, click Continue, click Agree to the terms and conditions, click Agree, click Show All Disk, select your SSD, click Continue, enter your password, now click OK. Now this will take some time to finish, so please wait for the time being. Now your Mac will get restarted automatically. After that, your Mac will take some time to install the macOS to your SSD. Now select your language and set up your Mac. Now as you guys can see, we have successfully installed the macOS Ventura to your old iMac 2017. Even if I run the speed checker app now, you can realize that my whole operating system is now running from the SSD, and because of that, now my iMac is getting really faster than before. Alright guys, so this is how you guys can make your old Mac faster, and this is what you need to do. Hope you find this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.